Hi, can you please tell me what your name is and where are you from?
Hi, I'm Neha and I'm from Gurgaon.
What were you struggling with earlier?
I'm 42-year-old right now, and 2 years back I had a condition of endometriosis, which I found out during my annual medical. Since I'm a pilot, I undergo annual medicals every year. I came to know about some cyst in ovaries. Once I consulted with the gynecologist, she had put me on a small hormonal medicine. After I started with that medicine, the kind of mood swings you had, it was so exaggerated, and unnecessary arguments and fight because you're never in a good mood. I ended up eating crazy. I gained up weight so much that इतना weight कभी मेरा हुआ ही नहीं था जितना उस time पे हो गया था. I had a scare for breast cancer. And when I used to go to the doctor and I used to tell her, ki, just tell me what should I do about it because I'm gaining my weight, she used to say, go keto, go vegan, not be exercising. How is it possible that being a Fauji, I will not have an active? She says you have a sedentary lifestyle. So it's not possible, right? Because of that breast cancer scare and, anxiety medicines. I was on anxiety medicines. Everything piled out one on one. And then I was miserable. I gained around 10 kgs.
So, did you try something like that helped you with it?
I used to go to the gym, tried doing some diets. I also tried food apps in which they deliver you the food according to the calorie requirement and all that. I lost 2 kgs, but the food was miserable. And secondly, it all came back. I love my food. I cannot diet. That's more of the reason that nothing worked for me.
So, what changed for you when you started with the natural system?
As I told you, my very first concern was my mood swings, my bad moods all the time. It totally changed. The tea which I take in the morning, this I'm having it right now also. This really helps me control my cravings and it keeps me energetic and full of life the whole day. It really keeps me full. It makes me not overeat. And that's how I was able to lose 8.5 to 9 kgs. I have reversed my endometriosis cyst. I'm no more on my hormonal medicines. I'm no more on my anxiety medicines. And I have stopped taking blood thinners. All my medicines are stopped.
So, Neha, one advice if you would want to give it to people, those who are still thinking about it, are still on the fence to use the system or not, what would be that?
Most of us we believe blindly what the doctor says. Be on this medicine and you're going to be fine. You have a system which is natural, food based, and it is helping you with your almost everything which is happening inside your body since you age. Why not give it a try? Unless you don't give it a try, you will not believe. This single 2-step system is helping not just me, but also my family. My husband, who is also a pilot, always used to have borderline cholesterol issues during his medicals. Last couple of medicals, he's been
Wow.
absolutely clear. All thanks to the system. This is a part of our life now, the family.
Excellent.